It's a beautiful day. So I've ironed this patch down like 15 times and it just won't stay, and it's so annoying. It always pokes out the hole in my jeans. So I just got some electric tape. Gonna see if that works. There's the final piece. That should hold up, right? See, the patch was coming out this hole before and it just annoyed the crap out of me.
Well, that's not doing so good, but if a murderer came in, I for sure have a weapon.
Check out my sick Sonic socks. There he is. Do you want potatoes? A few? Or F you? F me?
You don't need to move that. What are you doing?
We need the stove.
You only need that one corner. Starling. Our new spoons are so shiny.
Why is there a sticker? Use this one. Oh yeah.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Passion Play Road.
Alright, we just got into Eureka Springs. Maren's asleep. Hey babe. What's up?
I'm tired. It's pretty.
Alright, we're in Eureka Springs. This is the Crescent Hotel. It's haunted.
Why?
But I have to poop. You can look it up on the internet, but some guy in the 1800s, some doctor like claimed he could cure cancer. He had a bunch of patients here and he'd like just do weird experiments on them, and they usually died, but after they die, he would keep charging their families.
Where's the body?
I don't know. Crescent College for women. Ladies' room. Look at this awesome painting in the bathroom. That's the haunted hotel. We found this little black cat. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's so soft.
Look how cute the stairs are. Kitty stairs.
Little cat door. It's so big. So now we're over at a huge amphitheater thing that's for a play about Jesus. Isn't this sweet?
Yeah.
It's just in the middle of nowhere.
That's so cool.
And then there's that big statue way out there. Let's go over there.
It said in loving memory of Dwayne.
Hey, that's my grandpa. There he is. It's pretty big. We just took some cool drone shots of Jesus. I bet I can beat you to the car.
I bet you could too.
I'll give you a 5-second head start.
I don't want one.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Eureka Springs. Cute. Oh, we just spooked these deer.
Boo.
Hey. Mojo.
Why haven't I seen any Taco Bells in this town?
Because, I don't know. We're in the old part.
Ooh.
Oh, goodness.
Look at the shadow. That's like
Oh.
Harry Potter. That's like Hogwarts.
Look at that dog. Maren wants to film this cool building with the drone. There's just nowhere to take off in that parking spot.
Yeah, so then no one will run it over. I hope.
It might work as long as no one parks there.
But I don't know.
This is how to break your drone with Sterling and Maren.
No, it's not.
Hey kids.